Hi, Group 2. Here are your words for your test. Your first word is floor. Before we left school, we had to clean up the floor. Floor. The next word is storm. A few weeks ago, we had a snowstorm. Storm. Next is board. Could I have someone erase the board? Board. Your next word is word. Please spell out the word. Word. Your next word is more. Can I have more water, please? More. Your next word is tore. Before putting the paper in the recycling, I tore it. Tore. Next word is 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4. The next word is store. I had to go grocery shopping at the store. Store. Your last word is the surprise word for this week. Your surprise word is torn. After I fell on the ground, I realized my jeans torn. Torn.